Other university here present, you don't have it. Ethics policy is very, very important. Then information, services. I'm just showing in here that California with its RMO, the Research Management Office in California, where we visited, they were able to tell us that they processed 5,932 applications, out of which they got 2,000. It is not every proposal you get. You are lucky you get 1 out of 4. That is the sort of record. And then it's $500 million that they generate research grants generated every year. That is what is happening in California. The last time they said now is about $50 million that they are getting from their patents that people have so that they run research. Then the ethics policy I mentioned, ethics policy at UI, and to see that you have all the elements. So, before I just conclude, all I want to say is that also we must change or we must look at the reward system. Share with you the problem I had as you are as Vice Chancellor. When I took over, you see that the promotion guidelines for academic staff will say adequate publications. What is adequate? We started asking the question, what is adequate? So we now came to quantify things. How many journal papers, non-journal, journal is 0 to 5 points, patent 0 to 10, books 0 to 10, and things like that. After, having such quantitative things being done, we now say that, okay, for you to be small lecturers, 20 points, reader, 50 points, professor, 70 points minimum. But in scoring the journals article, we take the cognizance of multiple authored papers. And the way we take cognizance is this. If, for example, a paper, 3 authors, the first of all set aside the number of authors. You just assess the paper. It's a journal paper out of 0 to 5. Well, fine. Maybe it's an Excel paper. You score it 4 over 5. But there are 3 contributors. Do they get 4 each? Should they get 4 points each? Should they? No, that was the problem we faced. Should they get 4? Okay. People said no, we must ask percentage contribution. So on the basis of percentage contribution, we now factor that to now say the points you have scored. And of course, people reacted. That this one is discouraging people working together. On the one hand, we are saying that people must be working together. But when they come to the reward system, they are saying that we are not. Is it a problem? It's still a problem. But I find that it was not peculiar to University of Ibadan. I see anytime I travel out, I always see the opportunity to ask other Vice Chancellors. And I find somebody said, hey, multiple authorities don't talk about it. It's what's giving me hell now in my university. I don't know how to handle it other than this and that. How do you? Because if you say, we all know, if you say that everyone else will get 4, you know what we have. I have my paper, which I've done entirely. I put your name, put 2 names there, and you will also put your name, my name in yours. Well, it doesn't matter. When you get your promotion, you can go to your pastor and say, please, kindly forgive me and bless me for doing that. But you have got your promotion. That's why you cannot say that you will get. But surely in between, you must still come up with, I don't know what to do in here, and I wish you the best. But when just to end, all I want to say is that as far as I think I've at least opened up the issues, adequately enough for us to be able to really continue. Thank you very much.